Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is.
On Amazon you will get a number of different products. But we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Please refer to user guide or user manual or user guide, provided below in PDF. Before first use.
The number 3 on the list is.
Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Please refer to user guide or user manual or user guide, provided below in PDF. Before first use. Premier programming. The Zelsys lets you program everything from milk and espresso volume to dose, temperature, and texture. Only thing holding back your morning drink is you. User profile. And once you have your favorite drinks dialed in, you can save them to your dedicated profile for easy access. Touchscreen control. The Zelsys showcases its programming prowess with an accurate 3.5 inches touchscreen. Hygie steam system. An upgrade to the steam systems of old. The Zelsys fridge-ready milk carafe packs in texture control and automated purge and clean cycles. Double thermo blocks, dedicated for both brewing and steaming, offer accurate temperature controls for every drink in your recipe book. Refined ergonomics, from a front access water tank to adjustable spouts and a scratch-resistant drip tray. The Zelsys brings the best from Seiko design options.
The number 2 on the list is.
Many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Did.
The number 1 on the list is.
This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. please refer to user guide or user manual or user guide provided below in PDF. Before first use. The Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine with automation at every stage with touch screen operation to simply swipe and select for espresso, long black, latte, flat white or cappuccino, and enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home. Dose control. The integrated conical burr grinder automatically grinds doses and tamps 18 to 22 grams of coffee, similar to the commercial espresso machine in your favorite cafe. Espresso machine with precise water temperature. Achieve balanced tasting espresso with the Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine, complete with a digital temperature control (PID) technology, which ensures the temperature is kept at its optimum range. Optimal water pressure. The overpressure valve (OPV) is a commercial feature included in the Oracle Touch. This limits the maximum pressure throughout the extraction, helping prevent bitter flavors in the coffee shot. It also has true low-pressure pre-infusion, which gradually increases the pressure to gently expand the grinds for an even extraction. Microfoam milk texturing. Third wave specialty coffee is a delicate balance of espresso flavor and rich sweet milk with a microfoam texture. The steam wand, powered by a dedicated steam boiler, automatically textures milk to your taste and preferred temperature, delivering barista quality silky microfoam that enhances the flavor of coffee. Then the steam wand cleans itself. Triple heat system. 1. Dedicated steam boiler with integrated heat exchange which aids thermal stability. 2. Dedicated espresso boiler with digital PID control which delivers precise water temperature. 3. Heated group head PID controlled embedded element which maintains thermal stability. Show more.